Enterprise mobile app development refers to the creation of mobile applications that are specifically designed for use within a business or organization. These apps can be used for a variety of purposes, including communication, data management, project management, and more. One of the main benefits of enterprise mobile app development is increased productivity. With the right app, your employees can access important data and information on the go, no matter where they are. This can lead to faster decision-making, improved collaboration, and better overall efficiency. At Apptunix, we specialize in the developing three types of enterprise software: ERP, CRM, and CMS. ERP software, used for managing business processes such as inventory management, accounting, and supply chain management, helps streamline operations and increase efficiency. CRM software, used for managing customer interactions and relationships, helps improve customer satisfaction and retention. CMS software, used for managing digital content such as websites and blogs, helps streamline content creation and publishing processes. Enterprise mobile app development is becoming increasingly popular around the world. In fact, according to a recent survey, 60% of enterprises have already implemented a mobile app strategy, and 87% plan to increase their investment in enterprise mobile apps over the next year. At our company, we have a team of experienced developers who specialize in enterprise mobile app development. We work closely with our clients to understand their unique business needs and develop customized solutions that meet those needs. We also prioritize user experience and design, ensuring that our apps are intuitive and easy to use. Enterprise mobile app development is an important aspect of modern business. With the right app, you can improve productivity, efficiency, and collaboration within your organization. Apptunix specializes in developing enterprise softwares, and we're committed to deliver customized solutions that meet your unique business needs. Thank you for watching this video, and please contact us if you're interested in learning more about our mobile app development services.